Good morning, y'all, from beautiful Arizona. We took a ride this morning up here to the Tonto Creek Hatchery. And of course we get here and it says it's closed to the public. Go figure. But we're still walking around the woods area right here and actually looking possibly for some mushrooms or something. Hear a car coming up behind me. But here it is. But like I said, it is closed to the public. So doesn't look like we'll be going to that today. But we're also going to go to Diamond Point Place and look for some crystals. And again, we're doing some more mushroom hunting, really trying to find some edible mushrooms. And we walked on a path back here, and where Bill is and Bruno, they're back here in the woods. And there's a creek right here. I believe it's called Tonto Creek. And it just sounds so nice and peaceful. I don't know if y'all are able to hear it, but I can hear the water flowing. It's really pretty back here. So, let's go down here and do some more adventuring up in the woods again today, since we can't go to the hatchery. And there's Mr. Southern and Bruno. Bruno, say hi, Bruno. Alright, we're gonna get a look around here and I'll get back with y'all. Oh, I'll just give you a little look. Look at these tall pine trees. Aren't they pretty? It's nice, overcast today. It feels good out here. Well, y'all, we had just arrived at Diamond Point, where you can look for crystals, but at this time of year, you are not allowed to be digging up holes, so only surface finds. But I just give you a look around where we're at. Another beautiful place. We want to look for mushrooms too, but it might be a little dry here in this area, so not so sure on the shrooms. But I've been wanting to come here since we were here in Payson to check it out. But I'm not sure if I'll find crystals or not, but we are actually here at Diamond Point. So I'm gonna go look for some crystals and get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, so we had talked to some guy over here and he was finding some crystals, but they don't mind digging a little bit, as long as you should always fill your holes in. Anyways, I just came over here and basically it was kind of on the surface of the dirt. I've already found two. There's one, and this is the first one I found, a little piece of one. And I think I see one right here, maybe a tiny one.
We're just doing surface scraping.
Yes, so I think I found a good spot because I'm seeing, and here's one too, a very tiny one, I believe, right here. So I'm finding tiny ones, as you can see, on the surface. But I think I'll dig a little dirt and, of course, put it back. Bruno, stop eating stuff. And see what
digging, we're surface scraping.
See, not really digging. Like I said, we're scraping the dirt. But you can see where people have been digging, basically. So right now I have 4 tiny pieces, as you can see. And I'll get, and Bill's over here pouting that he has nothing. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
All right, well, let me get at it and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, I've just been moving some dirt, moving some dirt off the top a little. And I think I found a piece right here. Look, this is exciting. This looks like it might be a good one. I'm trying to get the dirt off around it. Because like I said, there was this rock right here and I just brushed some dirt away from around it. And I can see that it's a piece right here. And I am so excited. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to scrape the dirt off, y'all. My hands. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, look. It's a nice one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, my God. I gotta go show Bill. I gotta go show Bill. I'm excited. Sorry, y'all. I'm so excited. Look at this. It's so pretty. I'll get back with y'all.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice piece.
Honey, when I saw that sticking out the dirt, I freaked out.
Very nice.
Thank you, honey.
Now you're gonna have to find a ride home.
Uncle Bruno's over there tied to the tree. So I'm pretty excited, y'all. About dropped the camera and had the camera all over the place. Excuse that, y'all. I got excited, so my filming goes a little crazy when I get excited. And he's butthurt. But anyways, I'll get back over here and look for some more. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. I've been digging, well, not digging. When I say digging, I'm just pushing dirt around on the top surface. So I'm not digging. I'm just moving dirt and where other people have dug in the past. But I'm right in the spot I've been sitting, moving the top layer around and just going through the dirt with my hands. I have found these. And now I just found me a double terminated one, a nice one. Look, y'all. I am so excited. I need to wash it off. I think I'll wash it off and show y'all what it looks like. But that is so nice. So nice. I've been trying to get one. A double terminated one. So this is awesome. I'll get back with y'all. Okay, y'all. Cleaned the crystal that I just found all up. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. That is exciting to me. I love crystals, and I would love to hunt all kinds of other crystals and gems. If I could, I would be at it. I don't even want to leave. Bill wants about to go get in the truck and leave for us to go home back to the camper. And I just found this, so now he's sitting over here digging again, and Bruno's eating sticks. But we're having a great time, and I tell you, that is a one good find for me. I am happy. I'm going to dig for a little bit longer, and when I dig, I'm going to just move the dirt around, and I moved the pine tags away, that's basically, and see if I can find any more before we leave. Here's another nice one I found, y'all. This one's really clear and pretty. So nice. I love it. Well, we're basically packing up. We've been here for some time and we're tired and ready to go back to the camper. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my closing with this crystal in my hand. Thanks for watching my channel, Nugget Shooterette, aka Tammy. Like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications if you enjoy these videos. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day, y'all.